Okay.
Sullivan Auctioneers invite you to sit back and enjoy this recent Tazewell County, Illinois land auction consisting of 325 acres for the Hillman family. This auction was held on Saturday, February 4th, 6 p.m. in Morton, Illinois.
$35, $32, now 37 and a half, 37 and a half, 34,000. I'm going to $4,000, $42 and a half, 42 and a half, 42 and a half, to get down to 42 and a half. I'm going to $4,500, 45 and a half, $859, $800, now $6,000, now $6,000, and $6,000, I'm going to $6,000, I'm going to $5,900 to get down here, I'm going to $6,000, I'm going to $61, $400, now buy Jim Sullivan, now $6,500, $6,400 to get down by. I got road number 2, 64, 65, Jen, I'm going to give $6,500, $500 to bid 5, 65, 65, 6,400 to bid 5, 6,500 to bid 5, I'm going to bid 64, Chen, 6,500, 6,500 to bid 5, White now 6,600, ladies and gentlemen, last call, $6,600. Sold it, $6,500. What's the bid number? 55, 5,500 to bid 5. I'm going to get 55 to bid 55. 52, now 57 and a half. 57 and a half here, 57 and a half. I'm going to get 55, 57 and a half, 57 and a half, 57 and a half. That's $6,000 with Michael Sullivan. 7 and a half, $6,000, Joe. $6,000 and 6,000. 3. I'm going to get 275 around here. Now 3. 63, 63, 63, 63, 6,300 going to do. I'm going to get 16, 275 and 3. 16. $6,300 negative on it. Now a quarter. 63 and a quarter. 6,300 and 25. Folks, fair warning. Last call. The next go around at 63 and a quarter. Sold it. $6,300. Congratulations. $6,300 bidding.